guys. I'm gonna be showing you how to make random surprise. I'll give you a hint. You have to freeze it. But you would need a slime, like white, clear slime. It's fine if they have like stuff in it like that. But otherwise, it has to be clear. If you don't have like slime, then I guess you might be able to use Play-Doh. You need like some markers, definitely. And I have more markers over here, but there's more than just those I showed. And then so what we gotta do, we gotta grab just a little bit of, not a little bit, but not like a lot. I guess it's kind of a lot. Probably about like that much. And then you're going to roll it and put your slime to the side. If you have a lid, please, it would be good if you grab a lid. It's fine if you don't have a lid, you can just smash it down. But it would be better if you have a lid, like a container. You can do this too. You're going to put you can just smash it on there. Hold on for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, Mississippi 5, Mississippi 4, Mississippi 3, Mississippi 2, Mississippi 1, Mississippi 2, Mississippi. So then it should be flat and ready to color. But before you color, I would probably put something under it, just because through slime, this slime goes with like many different things, like with the mess, with the markers also. With the markers, any markers, the slime makes like the markers go through onto your table, and you don't have to put it on something, I guess. Like I'm not gonna, but I want to make sure it can come off of the table. So take it off, then put it back on. It's not like stuck. Then you can put your lid, your slime to the side, and your container also to the side. And then what you're gonna do is you wanna make your shape and then like remake it. I'm gonna make like a small little key. It's fine if you grabbed extra. I grabbed a little extra because I didn't know what I was gonna make. So I'm gonna make like a little keyboard key. So you carve it first. I'm gonna restart that. Sorry for the wait. I'm as fast as I can. actually going to make a bigger key than I was going to. Grab the slime. Just put it to the side just in case if you change your mind. And then you're going to like flatten it. If you have a butter knife to help like get like the shape. I wouldn't use the sharp side. I would use the non-sharp side. I'm so excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, and I'm gonna like go shop for some stuff to like decorate. So like donuts, cookies, stuff like that. Tomorrow's Sunday, December, I don't know, 10th, I think. January 10th? Mm-hmm. Yeah, January 10th. Today's the 9th. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, I'm gonna make like the F. And instead of writing like an F, like the letter F, I'm gonna do a flower because it starts with an F. Okay? If you guys want to do that too, you can. But if you don't have to, just a reminder, you don't have to. So you want to grab like a lighter color. I'm going to do this one. It doesn't show up that well in slime. Oh, now it does. And I'm just going to like color it.
You want to go upstairs or something like that a little bit?
No. And I just want to like outside of it. I mean, you might as well just do the inside too. You don't have to, but it would be good if you did. And you can like reshape your shape with your marker. You can probably have to do that kind of a lot. Not really. And I'm gonna hit the top. I just took half that color off my hand. So we do that. I wanted to point out you like that. Okay, I finished. Sorry, I'm the white. Okay, now you're gonna grab the color that you want for like your flower. And then you're gonna do like a square in the inside. Only if you're doing the flower though. Like, you don't have to do the exact colors as me, but if you like to, that's totally okay. So it's gonna look like that. If it doesn't look like that, you might have to restart. Sorry. And if you were following along, like with what I'm doing, it's like if you did everything right, the only thing different would be like the color. Unless you're doing the same color as me. Then you want to grab like a black to do the smallest like just dot in the middle. Okay? And you're gonna grab your butter knife. You're gonna flatten it actually. And then you're gonna shape it a little bit more. Flatten it. Shapen it. You can grab your color that you use for the flower if you want to do like little squiggly lines out there also. if it doesn't turn out as well as you wanted it. But you always have to flatten it, then shapen it when you're done. Always. But if it's, I guess maybe not always, but most of the time. Like if you have something big, try to do it all. If you only are able to do half of it, then that's also totally fine. Maybe you don't have to, but at the end you might want to do like another little dot. I guess if you're doing a flower, you don't have to do black. You can do yellow. And do a little black with like yellow inside. Actually, no, I'm doing yellow with black inside. There, mine looks adorable. You want to see it? Sorry. If you can, send me a pic of your results. And then you're going to pick it up with your knife. You're going to just pick it up like this. Try not to touch it as much as you usually would. I'm going to hold it like this. If you need, you can set it on your arm. But then you're going to set it down over here by your freezer. Then you're going to open your freezer. And then you are going to make sure it's all how you want it. Mine's how I want mine. So I'm going to put it in with my other ones. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you. I have other ones that I did before that one. Do you want to see them? So I did that one. That's my one. I did this heart-shaped one. It's really cool. And did that one, this one. These two are pretty old. But I also did those two. I did this one. I tried to make it a donut. No, this is the one I tried to make a donut, but then it didn't turn out that well. And then this, I call it the red velvet cupcake, because it was up, but like this, like a cone, but not really. But then it went like down, because sometimes in the cold stuff shrinks. It's like sticky and like bubble gum shrinks and stuff in the winter. Bye! That is it. What's it?